Assalamu Walaikum. Hello friends, how are you? Welcome back to my another video. In this video, I am going to show you how to flip text 90 degrees in Microsoft PowerPoint. Let's get started. At first, you have to open a PowerPoint presentation. Now you can see here many slides, include text, shapes, image and chart. Now we want to rotate or flip text 90 degrees. At first, click inside a text box. Then select the text, click and drag on our mouse. Now I am in decrease the size some small. Then go to the home menu again and select the text direction option. We can see here many options. Now I am select the rotate all 90 degrees. Then resize the text box. Now we can see we flip or rotate the text 90 degree very easily. I hope you enjoyed the video. Please like, comment, share and subscribe my channel. Thanks for watching.